Hey guys, so we got this 99 F150 and the problem is the seat. This works. See how the seat works? This one works. We can go all down, we can't go all up, and we can't go forward and backwards. So I'm going to take this cover off and then we'll go inside and we'll see if we can figure out why up doesn't work and front and back don't work. Okay guys, so I got the diagram out. Red and white and yellow are our forward and backwards. Let's see, there's our white and yellow. Let's see, I got my test light connected right there to ground. Let's put this on here. See if we can actuate this. Well, the seat's now trying to move a little bit. Do we not have a good ground? So that light's black and white. Let's see, do we have a green? Some of these colors aren't matching up. I don't see a green in our diagram. Shows green. Dark green as being our power feed for the entire seat. So can we go by that? I don't know if we can go by that, but the fact that it's now trying to move, pressing this, see, it just moved a little bit. I'm gonna take this switch apart. You can't go backwards. So I'm gonna see if maybe the switch is bad inside. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean these contacts on the switch. I took the cover off. You can see where they make contact. We're just gonna clean them real quick with a diamond tip tweezers, and then hopefully they'll work. Okay guys, I cleaned all the contacts there, and you gotta get the ones that are all the way. Let's see. It's hard to see. They're inside on the angle. Oh, there you go. You can see one right there. In there, there's a contact, and there's one on both sides. There's 4 contacts. You can kind of see it right there in the center. You can see where these points are. These are all contacts. Okay guys, let's try the seat. It goes forward, backwards, down, up. Look at that. This one works. Down all the way. There we go. It's not perfect, but hey, it works. And then this is how we know there's an issue with the switch. I should have mentioned this earlier, but we have one power feed, okay? One fuse coming in, fuse 112, 30 amp. Then we have one ground right here. So the fact that our other positions worked pretty much makes you go to the switch. So you either have the switch or you have a motor, and that switch is so much easier to get to than going to a motor, and then you have to hook powers and grounds up when we go right to the switch. And then the fact that it started working a little bit puts you towards the switch, especially in one direction, because the motor didn't want to go the other way, so it should have tried to go backwards. But that just proves that it's a contact issue. So I hope you guys like it. See you later.